Alright, so I had a few people asking how to remove the speaker from these newer MacBooks. So let me see if I can kind of show that. So underneath the speaker, there's basically all this adhesive here. So it's actually quite a pain to remove these speakers. You basically have to pry them up, but as you can see, there's this metal surrounding the entire thing. So you can't really like get in here that well. So as you can see, there's like not really much area you can go into this. Okay, so basically the best way you can do this, you kind of need a thin pry tool. If you have like a more flat tool, that might work better. But basically you have to get in like this. Okay, and then you kind of have to just pry it very slowly. It kind of helps to apply heat if you can, but yeah, you basically have to just slowly pry this out, and you have to add like a constant just pressure, slightly prying this up. It's gonna take quite a while, but basically just keep pulling at it and eventually you will get it out. Okay, just keep going. I can kind of hear the adhesive peeling up. Let me get some heat here and I'll actually show you. So the heat, okay, the heat you can actually apply to the back. So I have this little heater I'm going to use. You can use like a hair dryer or something, but basically you want to apply the heat to this side, the palm rest area. Okay, so I'm actually heating this up right now, and we're basically just going to keep prying at this thing. Okay, so just keep prying this up. Eventually it will peel out. Okay, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this in one shot so you can kind of see what it takes to kind of get this thing out. So here's the heater. Okay, and I'm just basically trying to pry this as I heat it. The adhesive is very strong and tacky, so it's actually very difficult to pop this up, and actually even bent my pry tool a little more doing this. Let me get this out. Okay, let's try prying from this side here. But yeah, these speakers are a real pain to remove. Okay, I'm gonna keep heating it. Let's get this tool in this side now. I'm bending one of my favorite pry tools doing this. Okay. Keep peeling it. If you do have like what do you call, maybe like a thicker flathead screwdriver, you can probably use that in there as well. Okay, so we're just going to keep heating this, and this speaker is going to get damaged when you take it out, so I'm not sure how the people get replacement ones. I don't know how if they have a better way to peel this out, but yeah, basically. So here you can see I have like a bigger gap here now. So let's see, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. Okay. Usually I don't remove these, so I'm actually just attempting this now, but to show you guys. So here you go. We can kind of twist this and it's kind of prying forward more. Okay. And kind of keep slowly, oops, you probably can't even see because my hand's in the way, but slowly prying it out. Okay, if you have a thin like a wider tool that's more flat, as you can see I can twist it and it's slowly coming out. Okay, alright, and keep twisting it. Alright, just like that, and now I can get the tool in. This thing is super hot now, but there we go. Okay, and there you go. So now we got the speaker out. It just needs quite a bit of heat and prying up. Alright, so here you go. I kind of scraped this a little bit. You didn't actually have to dig the tool in. You can actually keep it up here. So after looking at it, because there's this gap here. Alright, let me see if I can zoom in better to show this. I don't know if it will focus. There we go. So you basically want to get between these two pieces, and as you can see, I can kind of twist it, but it did take quite a bit of heat to make the adhesive less sticky. All right, but that's what it takes, and here you go. We've got the speaker out. I mean, there's a broken one, but so that's why I was taking the risk of popping it out to show you guys. But yeah, there you go. That's how you would remove those speakers. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, subscribe, help others find my videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. All right, bye.